Relatives, they can judge you more than strangers. That mistake you had 10 years ago, they are still talking about it. Maybe sometimes you want to talk about something, they start judging you about that mistake you had 10 years ago. But strangers, they don't judge you more. Maybe they can judge for a short time and we move on with our lives. So sometimes, guys, it's difficult nowadays to be with our relatives than strangers. You know that you can't be free when you have got your relatives. You know that one day they want to discuss about that issue happened, or maybe you wronged them and they still want your forgiveness until now. Understand? Those people, they are still angry to you. Maybe it's childness, or they are happening long time ago. Those things happening, you wronged them, but they're still angry until now. Guys, relatives, I don't understand what's going on, guys. They don't forgive you more than strangers. A stranger, you can wrong a stranger and forgive you and forget. But when it comes to relatives, guys, they don't forgive and forget. Relatives, they're still judging you about that problem. Maybe they can act like they forgot sometimes because you buy groceries for them. When you buy groceries for them, you give them money. They can pretend like they forgot, but they don't forgot. Relatives, they can pretend like they forgot because they want those groceries and money. But when you stop buying groceries and giving them money, they start discuss about those issues happening long time ago, that you wronged me 1 2 3. You understand? So relatives, guys, are people who are ungrateful. Sometimes we don't want to lie. Yes, other relatives are good because the other families are united, guys. They support each other 1 2 3. But it's few it, guys. The other families, yes, they can do it, but when you don't have parents, people who can forgive you, it's your parents. But other relatives, uncles, aunties, it's very difficult, if especially when they know that you don't have parents, you are an orphan, you wronged them last 10 years ago, maybe you are a child, you wronged them. They still discuss about that issue because now you don't give them something. You understand it? So guys, the relatives, they are judging you. Even you have got a mistake, they are judging you more than strangers. Strangers are better. Some of the strangers, guys, they are better. They can give you maybe some of the advices of your mistake you done. But relatives, they don't correct you. They can judge you, not to correct you.